Microsoft Edge gains advanced AI with new Copilot mode. Microsoft is rolling out an enhanced version of its Copilot AI assistant within the Edge browser, bringing it into direct competition with emerging AI-powered browsers like OpenAI's ChatGPT Atlas and Google's Gemini. The new Copilot mode introduces features designed to automate tasks and streamline online research. Agentic capabilities. Actions and journeys. The core of the update lies in two key additions: actions and journeys. Actions give Copilot the ability to perform tasks on the user's behalf, such as opening web pages or locating specific sections within articles based on voice commands. This agentic functionality allows for hands-free interaction with the browser. Journeys, on the other hand, leverages browsing history to provide contextual assistance. It remembers past research sessions, enabling users to seamlessly resume where they left off, with suggestions for related topics or products. For instance, if a user spent the previous day researching TVs, Journeys can organize that session and facilitate a quick return to the task. The rising stakes in browser wars. The launch of Copilot mode underscores the intensifying competition in the browser market. Generative AI is rapidly becoming a defining feature, as evidenced by OpenAI's recent release of ChatGPT Atlas and similar efforts from Perplexity and Google. The shift towards AI-driven browsers is significant because it fundamentally changes how people interact with the web. Instead of simply displaying information, browsers are now positioning themselves as intelligent assistants that can actively help users navigate and accomplish tasks. Market position and historical context. Despite these advancements, Microsoft's Edge remains a distant third in market share. Google Chrome currently dominates with 71% of the market, followed by Apple's Safari. This is a stark contrast to the early 2000s, when Microsoft's Internet Explorer held an overwhelming 95% share. The fall of Internet Explorer was partially due to antitrust lawsuits that opened the door for competitors like Chrome to gain traction. The current AI-driven browser race represents a new chapter, where innovation and user experience will likely dictate success. Privacy considerations. Microsoft asserts that user data will be protected, with data collection limited to improvements in the user experience. Browsing history will not be accessible without explicit opt-in through the page settings. However, as with any AI-powered service, the long-term implications for privacy remain a key consideration. The integration of AI into browsers is reshaping the online landscape, and Microsoft's Copilot mode is a clear signal of this trend. Users can expect further evolution as companies compete to offer the most intuitive and powerful AI-assisted browsing experience.